What's good, people? In the lab, as usual. Got something new to show y'all today. Y'all know I was supposed to go pick up some Sundown M18s, but they called me and said that it was gonna be a delay, and he had something else for me to check out. Now these supposed to be a little more expensive and a little bit stronger, more wattage, but he showed me love. Told me to come pick them up. We got some FMX Sky High car audio. I didn't know they made woofers. I know them for wires and accessories, but evidently they got some 3,500 watt 18s out. And my boy Paul was telling me to check them out. And we did some homework, and now they're here. So, set y'all up. We're gonna do some unboxing. All right, let me get y'all set up. It's pretty cool. All right. What the boys be saying in the video, nice packaging, double box, you know what I'm saying? Double box. Damn, is this triple box?
No.
Quadruple box?
Oh shit. 4 box. 4 goddamn boxes. 4 boxes.
Damn.
You just been introduced.
I see triple. My triple.
Quad box.
Yeah, they packaged it real good.
Damn.
One of them content creators say he hates styrofoam. He say something about Sundown be sending all that styrofoam, it be everywhere.
Yeah, that's the budget based.
They didn't
He said budget.
that's Budget Base head said that?
Yeah, that's the same.
Well, Budget Base head Sky ain't sending no foam. Not that kind of styrofoam. They got this here.
White coat, freaking market.
4 boxes. Yeah, all
Yeah, in 4 boxes. Yeah. You gotta unbox box. You know what I'm saying? All right, now y'all know I'm like Uncle Elroy, I got a bad back, so we finna. Damn. Oh, no. That's not the wolf. I think it's that thing biting. It can't be that heavy.
Stuck in the foam.
Yeah, it's,
There you go.
yeah.
You got it now?
Yeah.
That's all you.
There you go. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, see.
Man. All right, let me see if they can see that. All right, let me bring y'all down a little bit and maybe a little closer so y'all can see.
18's in pictures always.
That's a 1.3 Chevrolet Spark engine.
All right.
See, when you look at it in the picture, the motor looks all tiny. That's a good sized motor. I like that Ford's carbon. That's so
Man, look at that cone. That mother look hard. See, I couldn't see how that was on the what we looking
The
at?
pictures online, yeah.
What we was online?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
See, I told you the motor was bigger.
Y'all know I got some big old mechanic hands, and this motor, my hand can't even. Oh yeah.
Voice coil too, 3.5-inch coil.
3.5 inch, and what you said, an 8-1? What you said?
Well, it's an 8-layer coil.
8 layer? Yeah.
Instead of 4.
You know, I'm learning the terminology.
There you
know what I'm saying?
I
know what to do with it. You know what I'm saying?
It said 37 mil X-Max one way. That's more than the M.
Well, y'all. Let me see if y'all can see this.
That's nice.
That's on the camera?
Yeah.
That looks like the one we had looked at when you were
There
showing.
you go.
Mm-hmm.
But the other one was bigger, right?
No, the same was 18.
It was special made. They had this all in here instead of just the cap.
Got it.
Yeah, that was a nice speaker.
Yeah, so that was the
And
next one.
it was bigger. That was the FFX.
The FXXL.
FXXL. Yeah, so it was bigger than it. You right. You
Well,
right.
bigger motor.
Bigger motor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
still 18.
Same woofer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and same frame, just bigger motor. I think 4-inch voice coil.
Man, it's nice. I don't think I made a bad choice, y'all.
Hell no. Even the model below this, the BMX, the even cheaper line, has an 8-layer coil on it.
Oh yeah.
That's fucking badass. 32 mil X-Max.
Well, y'all,
cheap.
y'all see that there? Oh, that boy's got some weight on it. I ain't gonna keep trying to pick it up. I don't want to be like Uncle Elroy. But yeah, that's nice. All thanks to my boy Paul over here. He the one made the call and, seen what was going on with the 18s, and he came in here. He was excited. They got a good deal for you, man. I was like, okay, let's check it out. Got the thick surround. Nice dust cap. Oh yeah. Okay. We gonna see what they do, y'all. Sky Audio. Coming to a bill near you.
Oh, goddamn, man, I'm gonna kick that sucker.
Y'all stay tuned in. We gonna see what these do pretty soon. Y'all know I don't do all the free air tests and all that, because if I free air woof and it blow, I'm gonna be mad at myself. So we ain't doing no free air, and when we hook that thing up, it's gonna be on some yeah. Y'all know it. Yeah. We gonna give it that juice. See what it do. So those two right there gonna be on the 6500 Audio Legion. So I think that ought to do pretty good. That's still not gonna max them out though.
No, but you be able to beat shit out of them.
Yeah.
That's good clean power in that.
Yeah.
Wasn't that thing?
Yeah, we might should have did a half. Nah.
He said you can do half, but it's already been repaired once. I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Speakers in already? You got your speakers in already?
What?
Speakers? No? No, like, your,
No.
what is it called? Your microphone.
Oh no. I don't know if it came. There's some boxes over here.
Oh, got
It might be here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yes, my people. Look at Paul, he gonna run. I knew he was gonna run.
You're not filming this anymore. I want to come look at it. I want to fuck with you.
Camera side of it.
No,
I don't know if I showed y'all Electra, but I got Electra pretty much dynamatted back here. Dynamatted and foamed up. I might go ahead and put some up there just to finish it off. I wasn't really worried about that up there because it's pretty stiff up there. I never really seen that break in a car. Well, not in none of mine. But so far so good. All right, y'all. We've been on the road fighting this traffic. I gotta take me a break. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'll be back on here later on. We gonna chop it up some more about these Sky High 18s. All right, y'all.